17th, Pravasi Bhartiya Divas will be held in Indore. The 17th Pravasi Bhartiya Divas 2023 will be organized in Indore in January next year. All the preparations regarding this conference will be completed in time in Indore, so that this conference is organized in a better way. Indore will be kept fully decorated during this conference. Pravasi Bhartiya Divas. Pravasi Bhartiya Divas is celebrated every year in India on the 9th of January. The day also commemorates return of Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi from South Africa in Mumbai, then Bombay, on January 9, 1915. The day is celebrated to mark contribution of overseas Indian community to the development of India. The day was formally established in 2003. Celebrations of the day are sponsored by Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs and Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. FICCI, Confederation of Indian Industry. CII, are sponsored by Ministry of Overseas Indian Affairs and Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. FICCI, Confederation of Indian Industry, CII. The 16th Pravasi Bhartiya Divas was held in New Delhi with theme, Contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Why is important to celebrate Pravasi Bhartiya Divas? It is important to celebrate the Pravasi Bhartiya Divas as it reconnects the non-resident Indians with their roots. Also, it celebrates their achievements. It acknowledges the difficulties faced by the Indian expatriate workers living abroad. The day acts as a platform to create a network of NRIs in all the countries and connect the younger generation with immigrants. This will help the immigrants to evolve and contribute significantly